This Coldwell Banker Bullard property video is presented by Jan Sprayberry. Stunning four-sides brick ranch in sought-after Lakehaven community and Union Grove School District has an open and airy floor plan. It features gleaming hardwood floors, master bedroom with tray ceiling, spa bath and oversized walk-in closet. The awesome kitchen with sunny breakfast area has gas cooktop, stainless steel appliances. The convenient laundry room has sink and storage cabinets. The finished terrace level has tall, smooth ceilings, ample space to entertain, and also provides a variety of other rooms including a full bath, bedroom, family room with fireplace, recreation room, cedar-lined closet plus 3 other storage closets, and a large storage room. This lovely home is situated on a large lot with lush landscaping and a private backyard. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Jan Sprayberry at 770-914-9250 extension 218.